Okay.
What are you getting locked up for?
Give me 1 second now.
Okay. I can go ahead and tell you the charges. Okay. Okay. All right, man. Right now you're gonna jail.
Don't start that.
Ag assault by strangulation, okay, as well as false imprisonment, okay. What we're gonna do here is I'm not the original. Calm down, man. Okay, calm down.
Stop it. Stop, boy. Stop, boy. Look now.
Hey, chill out.
Okay.
Chill out. Let him go. Let him go.
No.
Let him go.
All right. Okay. Ag assault. Yep. Okay. And now, like I said, I'm not the initial officer. However, the initial officer is over at the jail, right there by the jail at least, and he's willing to meet us at the jail and have a conversation with you if you wish to do so. Okay. But however, understand this, that you are under arrest. Okay. All right. And we will Mirandize you if you wish to speak with the other officer. Okay. But understand that anything you say can be used against you. Okay. Anything you say or do can be used against you in the court of law. Okay. So understand that.
Chill.
Like I said, do you wish to speak with?
Talk to my son.
Why
Okay.
he get locked up for?
Okay.
Talk to my son.
Best thing to do is for us to go ahead and leave. Okay.
Chill.
He's going to jail for ag assault.
But she was at my sister's house.
No.
But why she not getting
Go ahead and put him back in the car. Go ahead. Well, go ahead. All right. Go ahead and take him. Go.
You going to jail.
Come on.
You going. Somebody, please come get me out, man.
Yeah, but you can't
What?
Don't do it, man. Okay.
What?
All right.
You go back now.
What?
Who are you trying to fight? Why she not getting locked up and she came with my sister's house fighting my brother?
Okay. That's not what happened. That's not what his.
Stop now!
Don't do that. Don't run my officer.
Okay.
Don't you do that.
Yes, sir.
Back up. Back up now. Everybody back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Why y'all doing this?
Stop. Stop.
Man, let him go.
We're back up. Back up. Back up. Stop.
Okay, sorry.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Back up. Help me here.
Sorry.
Calm down.
Sorry.
Calm down, man. Calm down. You're going to calm down for a second. You're going to put handcuffs on, okay? You're not going to jail. You're not. Stop. Okay?
I'm sorry.
You need to, okay? Understand.
Yes, sir.
You don't run a police officer. Okay? Let go.
I go to jail.
No. Okay? You good?
Yes.
Calm down.
Yes, sir.
You got him?
Yes, sir.
You good, man? Come on. You good?
Yes.
Okay, listen.
Yes, sir.
If I let you up, we're going to stand up. We're going to have a conversation, okay? I don't need you running around like that. I don't need you.
Sorry,
Okay.
He
He attacks my officer, okay? Back up. Everybody back away from our vehicle. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back away from my officer and everybody. You want to go to jail?
I sit in the car.
What are you doing? You so unprofessional right now. You're so unprofessional. You're unprofessional. You know it.
I'm trying to have a conversation.
We're going to anti period. We're going anti period.
They're gonna call your mom, okay?
My daddy phone.
We're gonna get it. We're gonna get.
What my daddy do?
Okay.
He didn't do that.
Don't worry about that, okay, man? Don't worry about that, okay? You need to be there. Okay. You need to be there for your dad, okay? You gonna come down here and see him? Okay. Come on.
I'm on the phone.
I ain't got his. He need his own phone to get them numbers out.
Okay. They got your mom's number. You gonna say bye? Hold on, we're gonna roll down the window.
Daddy,
Okay.
your phone. Can I have your phone? Because I want to call Keita, the fine. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. You strong.